You're listening to the Productive Not Busy podcast, where our mission is to make you more money so you'll have less stress and more free time. It's all about mindset, attitude, and taking action. And your host, Wayne Weathersby, knows how to make that happen. He's negotiated and closed over $150 million in contracts while building businesses with proven success strategies that he wants to share with you. So if you're ready to make some real money, then let's get to it. Here's Coach Wayne.
It's Leadership Week. All the topics that we're going to be talking about are about leadership, how to get better, how to rise the ranks, how to be more confident. So today we're going to talk about 4 steps to increase your leadership skills. Last episode, we touched on some of the foundations. Today, we're going to give you 4 steps to increase those once you've mastered that. So when most of us hear the words leadership, okay, we usually think of political officials, CEOs, right? The military commanders or athletes, head coaches. Okay, so while it's true that you need good leadership skills to excel at those occupations, no doubt, leadership is a valuable skill that everyone from any background or vocation can use for their benefit and to benefit of others. See, effective leadership doesn't come naturally for most of us, right? Luckily, there are several methods that you can use to build and refine your leadership skills. So I want you to discover the leader in you. A lot of people I talk to don't think that they can lead. A lot of people have a hard time to stand up in front of a group of people and talking. So I want you to try these techniques to boost your leadership skills. You can do this in the mirror. You can practice. Okay. Number 1, I want you to strive for excellence in everything that you do. I don't see a lot of pride in the job anymore, pride in ownership, right? Part of being a successful leader is your ability to set the bar for others. So you can be a good role model by constantly seeking ways to improve yourself and aspire to be excellent. See, a hallmark of leadership is excellence. Work on honing your existing skills and developing new ones. You set the bar for everybody else. I want you to focus on your visions and set your goals. That's number 2. Consider what you want to accomplish in the different areas of your life and set goals and expectations that will help you achieve your vision. See, setting expectations where you're able to periodically measure your performance and progress is huge. Break up the larger goals and expectations into smaller ones so that you can celebrate the little wins and successes and maintain your motivation. That's a plan. Most people think setting goals or setting an expectation is, that's it, I've done it. But you've got to break those goals into smaller ones so that you can celebrate the little successes and maintain your motivation throughout the whole process. Learn to identify and use all of your resources in the pursuit of your goals, expectations. When making plans to reach your goal, always work with the resources you have in your current circumstances. Rather than going off and developing plans based on a resource or circumstances that you wish were reality, right? I tell everybody, a lot of times I see goals and expectations set based off of what someone's willing to do, not what they're capable of doing. So be willing to refine your plans and the ultimate end goal based on your progress as well as your dreams, okay? Number 3, we want to develop your people skills. Leaders are known for their ability to inspire others to work towards a common finish line. To be successful at inspiring others to work with you, it's important to develop your skills and your emotional intelligence. Those go side by side. They run in tandem. Learn how to listen. Doing that helps to establish a connection to build camaraderie and trust, so others are more likely to follow your lead and help you. Help others be their best. Part of being a good leader is motivating others towards the positive change, the light at the end of the tunnel. Seek input from others when discussing goals and plans to reach your objectives. You might see another vision or another take. Give others stake in the results by seeking their opinion. They'll be more motivated to help you that way. Number 4, be passionate and maintain a positive attitude. See, most of us take cues from others in social situations, right? So you can teach others to have a positive attitude and be passionate in their efforts by doing it yourself. See, maintaining an upbeat attitude and giving your best effort to help energize the team so everyone is able to accomplish more, regardless of the circumstances, is a huge benefit. So taking the time to develop your leadership skills can radically increase the amount of success that you experience in all of your life. These tips can help you hone your leadership skills so that you can achieve your goals and enjoy a more satisfying life. That's what we talk about, right? Doing life in business, focused, confident, and with a plan. It's like flying a plane. When you're focused, confident, and have a plan, things traditionally go pretty smooth. I hope everybody has a great day. Be safe, take care, sell a bunch. Go out and find somebody and tell them something nice. See you soon. Hey, we'd like to take a moment and recognize some friends of the show. So time is a value commodity, right? So why waste time and waste it fumbling with your watch? Mini Focus Watches, a friend of the show here, offers sleek and stylish timepieces that are both functional and fashionable. With features like durable stainless steel straps, precise quartz movement, and water resistant, Mini Focus Watches are perfect for any occasion, from a morning workout to a night out. Plus, with a variety of colors and designs to choose from, you are absolutely sure to find the perfect watch to match your style.
You've been listening to the Productive, Not Busy podcast. Please hit the subscribe and notification of new episodes button and visit us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok for bonus content.